What browser do you use? Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge? The list could go on and on. One uses the browser that presents their application the best. For instance, CAMPS is best featured in Internet Explorer. A browser is a software application whose job it is to search for information stored on the web. With these browsers come shortcuts, sometimes unique to the browser. I urge you to settle on a browser and learn its shortcuts. I use Internet Explorer throughout my workday. I often have to compare two pages. For example, I live in Wisconsin, so I'm always looking at weather.com or AccuWeather.com. How does the weather compare on each page today? I open one tab to weather.com, click on the plus sign to create a second page and find AccuWeather. I can flip back and forth between the tabs or rip one off and see them side by side. To rip a page off, place your mouse on the tab, left click and hold and drag to another monitor or anywhere outside the present window. Who wins today? In another situation, you might want to keep a certain window open, but continue your search on the topic starting from the point you are right now. Duplicating the window is a nice shortcut. In Internet Explorer, you simply press Ctrl and the letter K, and the window is duplicated. No additional memory wasted for duplicating windows. When do you need a shortcut for a process? When you find yourself repeatedly doing something with a lot of mouse clicks or hands moving from mouse to keyboard and back again. Google question. Learn shortcuts that will assist you in your work. Work smarter.